Do you remember ICE network we did? The ICE we worked on. I'm going to drop a video right now. This video, sorry. So you just follow the procedures. You create. Once you open the link ice.io, you can see there ice.io. You click wallet. Why do we click wallet? We want to create a wallet. You can see it's a testnet wallet, just as what is happening on OEX. You can see wallet.testnet.ice.io. Once you click that network, it loads. So I'll pause the video while it loads. Now this is the interface how ICE wallet is going to be. So ICE wallet allows you to make fast and safe blockchain based payments without intermediaries. So you click create my wallet. Congratulations, ICE wallet has been created. Only you controls it. To be able to always access it, blah 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 blah, you click continue. You see, that is your wallet address. After confirming the necessary, they will ask you to enter your password. I've done my own, so view my wallet and everything. So once you click view my wallet, this shows. So let me click wallet created, then receive. Let me click your Testnet token balance. This is my share this address to receive ICE. So as I touch it once, you see it has copied it. So we are going to go and receive 4 sets. After that, you will click back. Why do you want to click back? We want to click 4 sets. So once you click 4 sets, claim your whatever, blah 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 blah. Yeah, you just paste that wallet address you copied. Then you click claim. I've clicked claimed. Do you see that we have sent 10 ICE? Please check your wallet to confirm. So now let us go and check our wallet. So for you to check your wallet, remember you are going to scroll down. This is wallet. You click wallet. After you click it, you will see I'm supposed to receive my testnet token here. So let me refresh here. Okay, you not send the money. You understand? So from there, I'll keep refreshing and check it out how it's going to be like. So I'll let us all know. So I think it's just do that and you later come and refresh the page. Maybe it's just going to work. You understand? That's what you will do. And I show you guys how to create wallets, how to create shortcuts so that I can always come. You click this top. Once you click it, you click it down. You come here to add to home screen. You click it. Then you save it as ICE wallet. Then you save it. You understand? Once you click and save as ICE wallet, you add and you save. You locate it and go and add it to your mining app so that every 24 hours you just come and be checking it. You update it. God bless you all.